important updates for you, as well as the PARCL Season 2, which is very interesting. I will tell you how to go and invest and how to earn this airdrop, because the first one printed. Let's go and look at the second one. We jump straight onto the laptop. And first of all, I want to go and talk about the Prism airdrop over here. It's on the roll with the airdrop criteria announcement, this time adding the NFT Jackie. So if you are the owner of any of these NFTs Jackies over here, you will receive the Prism airdrop over here. First of many potential NFTs partnership, which seems that they're going towards the NFT side of things, as well as TIA stakers, which we see over here, that will receive the airdrop, Dimension stakers, DYM pools, NFT communities, and the Milk TIA holders. Now, very important, we talked about this a couple of days ago in another video. This is the Prism airdrop, not the Prism with the Z. Is another network which has very high hopes, and it is gonna be for all of you. And I'm letting you know because I know a lot of you in my channel do stake TIA or do stake Dimension, so we will receive another juicy airdrop from this one. But they did add the NFTs, which is a very good sign, and potentially more of you. Let me know in the comments if you have that NFT. Next up, an update from the Satoshi Dex, which we did talk about in the channel. They have partnered up with the Nerd AI over here, big page by 18,000 followers, the first AI on-chain analytics assistants. And Satoshi Dex, you have the pre-sale now that you can go and participate, is at 2 cents and 3. Make sure in 5 days or at the end of the supply it's gonna be 2.5 cents. So make sure to go and join it as soon as possible. The more you wait, the more the price goes up. And you simply go in, fill up the waitlist, sign up for the pre-sale. You have possibility to deposit Ethereum on any chain that you want, or USDT or USDC or any native chain token, and you are good to go. It is the first world DEX, the first world Bitcoin decentralized exchange, and it is on a pre-sale, so go and join now. It is very hyped up, and they just partnered, as we see over here, with the Nerd AI, which is very huge news, very big news. So make sure to go and check them out. Of course, pre-sale, we know they're risky to go and invest. I did put $400 at around 10, so I'm already in it. And if you go and invest, let me know in the comments below. But it is very good news of this partnership. Next up, we have the airdrop for DGM airdrop over here, which is the first meme coin roll-up on Dimension. So if you're a Dimension staker, congratulations, another airdrop for all of you. With the 2D upgrade complete on the Dimension, the permissions of the rollups can launch via governance approval. And the Dogmon coin over here, which has 11,000 followers, which is very big and very nice to see, which could potentially be another very lucrative meme coin over on the Dimension chain. Very nice. Now we got teased on March 11 and it's gonna go live on June 30th. Are you still able to go and participate? Yes. If you do not have Dimension now, you want to go and buy them, I believe you're still in time for this, as there is a 40% that is going to go to DYM stakers, 40% to Huahua stakers over here, which we do have the Huahua tokens. There's a 10% of DGM to Dimension community pool, 10% to the Chihuahua community pool, and as we said, everything going all in, it's 100%, and the project is fully community owned, which is very nice. Next up, we talk about the PARCL airdrop. If you want to go and join, the link is down below. You can utilize my referral link, Crypto with Lorenzo, and thank you very much if you do. But the referrals and everything has already gone to zero, so you need to re-upload. This is a friend boost. We got friend boost, we got loyalty programs, and we already did participate and got ourselves 10,000 bonus points. I got 33,000 points in total, which a lot of them come from referrals. So thank you very much for the support. We got liquidity pools and trade. Now, how do you earn points if you got no referral link, which is absolutely normal? I will be giving away though part of the allocation that you receive from referrals to my Patreon members. Free Patreon members, paid Patreon members, both of you will receive allocation if you wish to support me. Thank you very much. Otherwise, there's the simple free version. But how do you receive this season 2? Well, we're gonna go over here and you have the possibility to trade, which is trade on the market. For example, San Francisco, bet if it's gonna go up or down, long or short, whatever you want. As you see over here, I have deposited my funds. I got it already, and you can decide whether you're gonna go long or short, and I'm already getting advantage of this and I'm already earning the points on it. Next up, we can also go and potentially the easiest thing. So this one is basically a risk-free term of airdrop. Now, all of this is not risk-free. I'm no financial advisor, nothing like that. Nothing is risk-free in crypto. But what you can do here is simply deposit liquidity. And you can deposit not Solana, not Jupiter, you deposit USDC. So you sure know that it's gonna be 1-to-1 with the dollar every time. And as we see over here, it is gonna be only USDC. I deposited a little bit, $4, just to get the hang of it of season 2, but go and deposit. The more you deposit, the more points you receive, of course. And I did receive, just to give you a perspective, it was $1.89 before, and I did receive 141 points. I went and deposited more, so there is more points to be made than the one I did. But make sure to go and earn it. You need to restart this. The points are not cumulative from the season 1. You don't have the whole points from season 1. You need to go and make the points once again for season 2. Everything started from 0. So make sure to go and utilize through the link down below if you want to utilize my referral link. Thank you very much. And go and deposit. In my opinion, it's gonna be very nice in terms that, first of all, you are a little bit safer with the USDC deposit instead of Solana, Jupiter, or any of that. You have the possibility to have the deposit. Just know that once you deposit your token, they're gonna be locked for 30 days. So you cannot go and withdraw them back in 30 days time. So make sure you are aware of that. But other than that, it is all set. You just leave it there, you provide the liquidity, and it is good to go. So make sure to go and do it because it is very important. The other one, of course, is the Jupiter Airdrop Season 2, which, just like the PARCL Season 2, it started from 0. And what do you have to do for this one? Well, first of all, for this one, if you receive the Season 1, you're not eligible, so change wallet if you want to be participating in it. And all you have to do is to go and complete swaps from Solana to STC to WEN to Jupiter. But the most important things are 2 things. You gotta go over here to the book, to the teddy bear, whichever icon you will see on your laptop. Go to the governance, and you will have to go and stake Jupiter. Now, this will give you voting power, and the voting power will give you the possibility to vote on one of these. As you see here, I voted for my first one, and it was a success. So I did vote on the right one. And you gotta go and stake Jupiter token to be able to vote. And by stacking the Jupiter token, by providing liquidity, by doing the swaps, by creating volume, by paying transaction fees, you will be able to go and receive this one. You will be able to go and receive the Airdrop Season 2. You can then go and do the perpetual. Now, this is more risky because it is longing and shorting Solana against the market. Could lead to impermanent loss if you don't know what you're doing. So be careful with that. But to go and create volume, you can do Solana, USDC to WEN token to Jupiter token to Solana token, back to Jupiter token, go and stake the Jupiter token. So it is relatively easy to go and do it once a week, twice a day, 3 times a week, whatever you want to do it. Just make sure to go and do it. But with that said, guys, thank you very much for watching today's video. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. I am participating in the Jupiter Season 2. I am participating in the PARCL Season 2, and I will be allocating more funds to that airdrop because I do believe that after the first airdrop, people are a little bit like, maybe yes, maybe no. So a lot of people will be pushed aside, and we're gonna be able to go and really farm this very well. But with that said, thank you for watching, and I see you all in the next video. Ciao, guys.